What's up, you guys? Mac, proud owner of Cherry Bomb, and today we have another restoration slash repaint project for Cherry Bomb. Today we're going to be repainting my gas tank and adding extra to it. So let's check it out. So this is the 8-gallon gas tank that I've been using, and as you can see, it's almost white. This is pretty similar in here to the original. So today we're going to repaint it. We're going to be repainting it using the Rust-Oleum Satin Apple Red. Probably going to do as many layers as possible. I'm thinking 3 to 4, and then we've got some matte clear enamel to go over just to help it being in the sun so much. And then the final thing that I want to do is I want to add like bed liner style coating to these handles. That'll just help it. I go to use it, it's easier to use if it's got water or moisture on it or if it's raining. So I was going to use Raptor lining, but I used that for another project and I forgot that with Raptor liner, once you open the can, you only have 60 minutes to use it, which is annoying, but I understand it because it's different. So I'm gonna have to go to the store later on today and buy a different style of coating. But we're only gonna be doing the handles, so it doesn't have to be anything fancy. So let's get to it. First thing that we're gonna do with this gas tank is we're just going to wipe it down with household cleaner, get all the dirt and grime off of it so that the paint will actually stick to it better. Next step here is we're just going to mask off the spout here and then the little breather hole in the back here. We don't really want to get paint inside the can itself. Alright, so the gas tank has been cleaned. The spout and the little air hole breather have been covered up so we won't get any paint in the can. So now we're going to get ready for painting. Tank is currently sitting on a little box right now just so we can hit the sides and stuff, but let's hit it with this first coat of Apple Red. Alright, so the tank, whatever, is looking way better already, nice and shiny red. We'll let it dry and we'll hit another coat and then we'll flip it over. Alright, I just flipped over the gas tank and now we're going to hit the other side. I've done 2 layers on the other side and I think we're going to do 2 layers and then just start doing clear coat. Alright, so let's check in with the gasoline tank. We've got 2 coats on each side now. It's looking way better than it was when we're starting. And then now we're going to bed line the handles, and this is what I got for the handles. So like I was saying earlier, I wanted to use Raptor brand bed liner, but unfortunately you can only use that really one time. You can only use it for an hour. So I wanted to go with something cheaper. Raptor, about 40 bucks right now. This is just Rust-Oleum truck bed coating. Something simple. It's, you know, just going to be on the roof of my car. I don't want to do anything crazy. I don't want to buy another can of Raptor is pretty much what I'm trying to get at. And then I didn't have any blue painter's tape. I want to get some blue painter's tape. This will help to mask off the area that we don't want to paint. And then also this, I wanted to showcase, this is the top of the gas can. The mold was like bad when I got it, so I just smoothed it down with some sandpaper and made it look a lot better. But now we're going to get into masking and bed line those handles. The handles sprayed. I'm curious to see how textured it's going to look after. I don't think it's going to be as textured as Raptor liner, but I'm still curious to see how this works, how this turns out. Alright, quick update. This tank now has 3 layers of the Rust-Oleum truck bed coating. I'm pretty excited about it. I think it's going to be perfect for what we need. It's not going to be overkill. It's not going to be as textured as like Raptor liner, but it's more sandpapery. I'm excited for the final product. Alright, it is the next day, and now I'm going to peel off the paper and the tape and all the masking, and hopefully it doesn't peel a lot of the red off underneath. If it does, we'll patch it up and then we're going to hit it with some clear coat. Give you a quick update. So first of all, the handles are exactly what I wanted. There are some spots where the masking did take away some of the spray paint. I don't know why, maybe it was because it was too wet, but no worries. What we're gonna do is we're gonna mask the handles and then we're going to spray it again. And there's like one bit down here where I got a little bit of black, but we're just gonna wrap the handles, and I think the handles will hold up better, and this has been drying all night, but we're gonna make it work. Alright, so the tank is looking pretty good. Now we're gonna start the clear coat and we can finish this project. Real quick what the gas tank looks like with the cap and the little cover on, but I'm still gonna wait for it to dry for it's got 2 more days left, and then we'll take it out to the truck. Alright, we're out here. The gas tank is completely dry. It's looking really good. Let's see what it looks like. Enjoyed this video about my gas tank. If you did, check out the video. It's going to be in one of these corners here. I just repurposed and restored my center caps. I did bed liner on them and made them look really good. So if you enjoyed this kind of video, you'll enjoy that video too. If you like what I'm wearing, check out the link in the description. I got a promo code for Hammer Down Off-Road. Check over to the Instagram and check out some of the patches that I got for sale, and check out the other content. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. God bless. We'll see you guys next time.